How to remove a Tumblr theme and go back to default. First of all, open the Tumblr app and make sure you are logged into your account. From the dashboard, tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner to open your blog page. Next, tap the settings square icon at the top right corner to access your blog settings. Now tap on account settings and then select color palette from the available options where your current theme is displayed. Here look for the option called System Default. Tap on it to remove your current custom theme. Your Tumblr blog will now return to the default theme with a simple and clean layout. This action will remove any custom colors, fonts, or layouts that were applied with your previous theme. If you ever want to apply a new theme again, just go through the same steps and pick the one you like. Now you know how to remove a Tumblr theme and go back to the default style. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.